SOFI update here on the 19th. Just to update on the chart. Last video, I didn't think we were going to come down this low. We obviously got a huge move down. Does that mean that this is a C wave that started? I don't think so. The reason why is look at the beginning of this wave. If this were a C wave right here, then we would want to see an impulsive move down, but instead we get A, B, C, pullback B, and then we get a 5-wave move down. So again, just like this wave right here, it just looks like a really long C wave. And then this is also A, B. It looks like a long C wave. Could have one more move down, maybe to the bottom of this, maybe a little bit lower. But just based on the structure only, I would say that this has to be a B wave. So this is not the final move down, in my opinion. And so for that reason, I think that we should come back up here to at least, I would say, a minimum of $7 again, but probably back all the way up here to 730. If we get all the way down here to 630, we could be looking at an expanded flat. Expanded flat means something like that. That's an expanded flat. A running flat would be like this to right there. Or we just get a normal flat, which would just be like that. But the structure of this is A and then B. And then the structure of this one right here, I have this labeled as WXY. And so I think that this whole move is most likely, after it completes, it's probably going to end up being, the whole thing is W, something like that, down here. So we'll see how far it comes back up. But I don't think this is the final move down. I'll be surprised if it gets below, let's see. If it were to get below 622, which is the 1.23 fib of this, then I would start thinking that maybe there's a chance that I'm wrong on this. But based on the structure, A, B, C is the most likely scenario here for the X wave to finish. And if we look at the timing of this, this only took a day. This has already taken about 14 hours, so maybe a little bit more. We're probably looking at something around, probably looking at like 3 or 4 trading days to get back up here for the C wave, based on the AB relationship. And so, I don't know, somewhere next week maybe, if we bottom out here early in the week, we could be seeing up here around 730, maybe by Friday or so. And then, of course, if we come up here to 730, then the target would be probably somewhere actually a little bit lower than I thought. Could go all the way down to 550. Let's see the 1.61 fib of the W wave. So basically, if this is a W wave, then it cannot go past 531 or else it's invalidated, which actually is right at here at the bottom of this move right here. So I would look anywhere between, we're probably going to go past the 0.5 fib retracement at 625 just based on how far we're going up on this. So I would look anywhere, we're probably going to hit the 0.61 fib at some point around 576, but no lower than 532. And that's pretty much it. Just look for the X wave to end probably in the next week or two, and then we start the final move down. This aligns pretty well with what I think is going to happen on SPY, so we'll see if it actually plays out. I have SPY going up to like 420 by sometime in like early March. So we'll see if it plays out. I'll just do an update. I'll do an update every couple of days on this stock and see what's going on with it. Anyway, if we look at the Moving averages here, we got, again, the 50 is at 555 right now. Still bullish with the 20 above the 50 and above the 200. So this consolidation is not a big deal in my opinion. And actually, you should like to see this after such a big move from 420 all the way up to 820. To see a little bit of consolidation gives you a chance to average down, knowing that we're probably not going to go below 420 again. So if you get in between 550 and 6, you can ride the next wave up to hopefully about 10 or 11 bucks. So I'll leave it at that. Again, if we break above this to 850 on the next wave up, we probably are going to target, again, the top of this, break above that, maybe we can go up to this resistance right here. So that's it. Just a quick update on the chart. Look for this B wave to finish pretty quickly next week. I guess this week on Tuesday, and then expect another move higher before finally getting the move down to finish off the second wave. So that's it. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates. I'll keep you up to date on the chart over the next week. We'll see if this ends up playing out the way I think it's going to. All right, have a good weekend.